Naqvi, and I'm the CEO of eBricks. eBricks is a Pakistan-based as well as a US-based organization, and historically we've been providing custom engineering services, but increasingly we are diversifying into managed services, especially in the security space. Most of our custom engineering services predominantly were also in the security space. We've been working with a world-leading security technology company for a number of years and have developed deep expertise in malware analysis, malware research, and that's what we are putting to use in our managed security services. We have been exploring the Pakistan market relatively recently and trying to understand it from a security awareness and receptiveness perspective as well. What we are doing here is trying to educate our prospective customers about the need, and we see it as a long road to educate our target market first, and then we hope to address their needs once they realize that they have them. Trends like BYOD and work from home, these are again posing new problems as well, and that's true not just here but elsewhere as well, and so it compounds the problem. And again, these problems, some approaches entail putting more controls on the devices that your employees bring in, and then monitoring and managing all the information flows that are going in and out of those devices. And in some cases, those can be, they can be very cumbersome and difficult for your employees to accept. So a lot of companies, while they take a lot of measures to strengthen their core IT network, they end up not doing enough or not addressing the problem of the BYOD aspect. CSOs are struggling with the right skill set being available to them for them to address this. Even as we look out and try to find people who are ready-made and already ready to hit the ground running, for example, so to speak, we have a challenge, and I think in large organizations that challenge is more compounded because they are contending for very rare talent, right? So that's what we're finding in most of and in many other cases. As I said, there's a very checkbox oriented approach to security, and they say, if I've done this and this, then my job is done. I've covered my exposure, and so no one can blame me if something happens now, and so they essentially look the other way, and it becomes sort of more of a self-preservation oriented mindset than more of a organization oriented mindset. In terms of the local ICT industry, I see that security is getting there's a buzz around security now, and especially Islamabad has institutions with good programs, masters in information security. We are beginning to see some of that in Lahore. In fact, that's something we're trying to work actively with the campuses here to, by holding seminars and so on, to kind of interest the local talent pool in getting into this space, because a lot of our talent gets wasted by going in directions that are not ultimately utilizable by the local market or the global market, and where there's a lot of serious problems that require the attention of that talent, right? So that's what we are trying to do, and at least as far as having an interest in getting trained on security, we are seeing that there is quite a bit of that there, especially in the younger, the fresh graduates and the young professionals. So in that sense, the future is, the outlook is very positive.